Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Enduro and Adventure Media. Just a very quick update on what's happening here at Eurotek in the workshop. I'll just turn the camera so you can see what's going on. Okay, so this is the first of the Sherco bikes that have come through to the shops. This will become a dealer. This is Mark's bike. It's a factory 300 two-stroke. Just in a state of stripped down at the moment because we're adding a few sort of personalised parts to it. Enduro engineering rad guards. Go around to the side, get a better look at those. Billet rad braces. We've got some SM Pro wheels going on. We've got an S3 head on it now. We've got a chain or case protector, Enduro engineering case protector. That's a nice solid bit of kit. We've got the rear brake mass cylinder extended reservoir there. And I think he's also put some caps on the clutch master cylinder and the brake master cylinder as well, yeah, just to finish them off on the top. There's a few things yet to do with this, so once the bike's up and running, we'll be doing a feature video. So it's probably going to take about another week or so before we get the rest of the bits through. So that's just a quick video there, just to show you what's going on. So stay tuned, Hard Enduro and Adventure Media at Eurotek. See you soon.